What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to talk about a very unique product called the Divoom Ditoo Pixel Art Bluetooth speaker. It is a Bluetooth speaker but not a regular one. Just by looking at it you can say that it's pretty unique and it comes with lots of features. So here we go. Let's just start with the unboxing. So first of all, the very unique thing is that it comes in a carrying bag. Once you remove the protective plastic, inside it you will find once again a hard-shelled plastic carrying box that is of very nice build quality, and once you open it you will find the Divoom Ditoo Bluetooth speaker inside. So as a product packaging itself, this is a quite unique experience. Now talking about the design, just by looking at it you can say this is not a regular Bluetooth speaker. So the very first thing is that it looks like a retro computer. In the old days when we used to have a separate monitor sitting on top of a CPU, and this is what exactly it looks like. On the front side we got a pixel art display and we will talk about it very soon. And then on the front side we got 6 keys and the lever, and the keys are actually mechanical and it gives a very nice typing and user experience while using the Divoom Ditoo Bluetooth speaker, especially if you are a gamer or you are into retro stuff. So if you like mechanical keyboards, this is the reason number 1 why you should go with the Divoom Ditoo as your Bluetooth speaker. On the top we got the speaker grill. On the back side, there is a pretty huge cavity for the bass reflex and the audio output that contributes in providing 360-degree audio experience. On the right hand side, we got the power on-off button, a USB Type-C port and a micro SD card slot that you can use to play music right from the memory card. It weighs just a bit more than half kilograms and it looks very cute and beautiful because of its retro design, the mechanical keys with the lever, and the small display we got here. There is light provided beneath the keys that looks beautiful and once again gives the gaming mechanical keyboard experience, while we can use the lever to access and select various options we get on Divoom Ditoo. So in terms of design, this is pretty unique and it's going to grab everyone's attention once they have a look on it. Now talking about the audio quality, even though Divoom Ditoo is a pretty small speaker in size, the audio output is quite loud. It comes with 10-watt speaker and considering its small size, the audio is really nice, and here you can have a quick comparison of Divoom Ditoo speaker with some other speakers here. Now let's talk about the pixel art and other features that this cute little Bluetooth speaker got. So the very first moment you switch on the Divoom Ditoo, the pixel art on the screen will grab your attention. The display quality is really nice, the screen is very bright and provides a very nice visual experience even for the pixel arts. So we got lots of options and stuff that we can do on Divoom Ditoo, and everything will be displayed in pixel art forms to give you a retro experience. And when it comes to pixel art or visualization on the screen for music, equalizer or the clock, the possibilities are endless. The Divoom application gets populated with new pixel arts, new designs very frequently, so you are going to have something new all the time to use on your Divoom Ditoo. Divoom smartphone application comes with lots of features and options that we can use with Divoom Ditoo to have a great user experience. For example, you can create your own pixel art. You can use other people's pixel art. There's a whole community with whom you can interact, share your pixel arts. So this is pretty amazing. Divoom Ditoo comes with lots of personal assistant features. For example, you can use it as a smart alarm. For the smart alarm feature, you can select the scene that will appear on the display of Divoom Ditoo when the alarm goes live. You can even use it as a daily planner to plan your daily activities and assign unique pixel art for each of those activities. So once you get the reminder, that particular pixel art will be displayed on the screen to let you know this is the time to do this particular stuff. It comes with a smart sleeping aid as well, using which you can use some music, radio station, some different kind of sounds depending on your preference, that how you would like the Divoom Ditoo to contribute in your sleeping experience. And if you are a social media junkie, it also supports visual notification for your favorite social media applications. So if your phone is connected with the Divoom Ditoo and a notification pops up on the screen of your smartphone from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever, then you will get a visual notification on the screen of Divoom Ditoo. So this is pretty cool as well. And here comes my favorite part of Divoom Ditoo. It comes with lots of retro mini games that you can play on this Bluetooth speaker. So it comes with one of my favorite Tetris, it got Snake, it even got the kart racing. So if you have played all those retro games, then you are going to love the Divoom Ditoo, because the experience of playing all those retro games in color with a mechanical keyboard and a lever is just amazing. Divoom Smart application is also linked with online weather services, so it will keep showing you weather forecast, will provide you visual notification, the temperature, etc. time to time right on the screen of Divoom Ditoo, so you don't need to check your smartphone or your computer for the weather related information. Another interesting feature is that you can leave the voice memo on Divoom Ditoo, so you can record up to a minute of voice message and it gets deleted automatically once someone plays it. And if you wanna have some fun, it also comes with voice morpher. And then we got the DJ mixer. Using this, you can record and play back some remixes. It supports up to 24 individual instruments and it comes with 96 DJ sound effects. So if you want to be creative and wanna have some fun, DJ mixer is Divoom Ditoo is going to keep you occupied. It comes with a stopwatch, countdown timer. There is a noise meter provided as well that detects the loudness of the ambient sound, and under the music section you will find a huge list of internet radio stations that you can use to stream music on your smartphone and listen it via your Divoom Ditoo Bluetooth speaker. There is also an option provided for celebration planner that you can use to get reminder and notification for the important events. The best part is that to use most of the features and function of Divoom Ditoo, you don't even need to use the smartphone app. You can use the keys and lever provided on Divoom Ditoo to perform all of those actions. It comes with a massive 3000 mAh battery, and depending on how loud is the speaker volume and how bright is the screen, you can easily get around 6 and 7 hours of battery life on Divoom Ditoo, and once it goes down you can easily charge it using the USB Type-C cable, and it takes nearly 4 hours to charge it from 0% to 100%. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and the connection is pretty strong in the 10-meter range. Overall, Divoom Ditoo is a great Bluetooth speaker just because of its design, features and the amazing retro user experience that it provides in terms of design, display and also features. And the features are pretty useful and helpful as well. So in my opinion, this is one gadget that you should keep on your desk for sure. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.